In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an opening balance in Zoho Books, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Zoho Books is a user-friendly accounting software that many businesses rely on for managing their finances efficiently. However, there may come a time when you need to delete an opening balance, whether to correct a mistake or to update your records accurately. Let's dive right into the steps to accomplish this. First, you'll need to begin by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your main control panel for everything Zoho Books related. This central hub provides access to all the essential features and information about your account. Once you're there, take a moment to scan for a highlighted section prominently displayed at the top of your dashboard. This might appear as a notification or a prompt that guides you through important updates or actions you might need to take. When you're ready, move on to accessing the settings. To find this, look for the icon that resembles a gear. It's a common symbol across various apps for settings, and you might find it nestled within the main menu of Zoho Books. The settings area is where you can configure your account details and gain access to an array of bookkeeping functionalities. After you've clicked on settings, you'll want to zero in on the section specifically labeled Opening Balances. This is a crucial area as it grants you the capability to manage the opening balances for all your accounts. You might need to scroll or do a quick search to locate it, but it's generally straightforward to find within the settings menu. Upon gaining access to the opening balances section, search for another highlight or specific link that leads you to a details page containing all your account balances. Clicking this link will usher you into a detailed view, allowing you to scrutinize and manage each opening balance entry tied to your account. Now, within this detailed view, you should spot an option to delete. This option typically appears alongside each entry, affording you the flexibility to select the specific opening balance you wish to remove. It's incredibly important to double check at this stage to ensure you're deleting the correct balance. Mistakes here might not be reversible, so proceed with caution. Once you're absolutely sure, feel free to go ahead and click on delete. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted the necessary opening balance in Zoho Books. Remember to update your records afterward, as maintaining an accurate set of books is crucial for both operational insights and compliance purposes. We hope you found this guide helpful. As you continue to explore and make the most out of Zoho Books, don't forget to utilize all the resources and support available within the platform. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on managing your business finances effectively.